My name is Matty Mancey. I'm on the BA Fine Art course on the XD pathway. My work is a film called Mother's Gut, and it's a girl's journey through her own digestive system when she accidentally ingests herself. She encounters bacteria throughout. They're very aggressive, fearful, apathetic at points, and it's her relationship to this bacteria that the film is about. I originally came up with the concept for the piece when I learned that our bodies are only 10% human cells and that 90% of the cells in our body are actually bacterial, viral, fungal, parasitic, and there's a whole community inside us at play. I wanted to imagine my mother's journey to the UK through a body and through something more organic and something more abstract. I wanted to learn everything about classic special effects. I wanted to try it all out. I wanted to try out prosthetics, green screen, make my own costumes. I wanted to make sets. So I tried doing everything quite a DIY way. And I really want people to imagine that all of the matter shown in the film has the same importance. So the way that the food that the girl's covered in, the food that makes up the sets, and the food that was used to do all of the Foley. I hope that the audience will see that it's a girl's journey through a body, and it's that the matter that she is made up of mirrors all the matter around her.